Dad hack.
So now I got a bunch of peanuts in my spice grinder, and these aren't easy to clean. You can't run them through the dishwasher. You can't run them underwater really. So here's my trick. White rice. Pour some white rice in your grinder. Comes out kind of looking like grated cheese, but after you pour it and knock it out with your finger, it's pretty clean, and you can just wipe it. You can just wipe it clean with a paper towel, basically. Sometimes Dad will get nerdy, and I'll go out to the garage and I'll hit it with the air compressor, but it's pretty much clean. For more recipes and videos, visit dadgotthis.com. To be sure you don't miss anything, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the damn bell. I double dog dare you. Come on, you have to do it. It was a double dog dare. I mean, those are the rules.